today. I didn't tell you before, but we're now at the beach. We're at the Gold Coast, and yeah, we did a write-up. Cousin here, his link will be in the description for his channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the morning, and we're just gonna do. I think we're doing. I don't know.
Maybe even cool.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna do daily videos for the week while we're here. So see you in the morning. Bye.
Hey. So, it's now 5 o'clock in the morning. Got the beach out there. I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks, it's alright. It's like a little bit foggy and everything, but I'll just catch you when we're doing something.
Invincible. I mean,
That's good. Okay, I've looked over at the footage. I might do a double full now, and hopefully it's good. Okay, I'm pretty scared, but if I just make the rotation, I'll be pretty happy. Woo! I did it. Okay, that was the double full. I'm not gonna do it again because I did kind of land on my side and it did like kind of slap, but it was like close enough to what I wanted. And yeah, so I think that'll be it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. Check out his channel. His link will be in the description. And
posted a video today.
yeah, we're doing daily for at least 4 days straight while we're here, and then yep, see you tomorrow. Bye.